What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good morning and welcome to a video about Hashflow again. A project I covered a lot during the, ever since its launch, also a little bit before. But yeah, have covered it a lot, and it's really bullish again today. I mean today, or yesterday actually already, or during the night, we actually managed to break above our main resistance level at 63 cents. We talked about that earlier already. I think I did an update right here, and I said that at some point, I mean, well, we're probably going to drop down, but at some point we're either going to break above 60 and 63 cents, or we're going to break down below 50 cents and drop down to like 40 cents. We actually chose the more bullish option. Broke above 63 cents and got to our price target, which is 70 and 75 cents. 70 cents being quite a historical relevant resistance level. 75 cents obviously being a huge psychological resistance level, but it was also tested. So there's a clear reason for this. There are multiple clear reasons for why Hashflow is bullish, and they are 100% deserved. Apart from that, volume is amazing as well, especially compared to the market cap. But the first reason why Hashflow is bullish today, and why we got this this bullish momentum, and don't worry, later on in the video we will talk about whether we can actually get up to 80 and 85 cents as well, which is the next price target, next resistance level. More decentralization of Hashflow is coming out. So basically, soon you will be able to launch your own proposals about it, which is amazing. Decentralization is a great thing in crypto, and usually cryptos become more bullish, and HFT obviously gets more value if it has more utility, and more decentralization is more utility for HFT, because HFT probably allows you to vote. The more HFT you have, the more say you have over the Hashflow platform. Apart from that, Hashflow is also a decentralized trading platform, right? It's a DEX. It's a little bit of a different DEX than other trading platforms, but still it is. And those with the whole fallout of trust and fear around exchanges because of what happened with FTX, decentralized options have become more attractive. And Hashflow is one of those. That's those two reasons are the main reasons why we got up to 75 cents. Here you can see more about that on their Twitter at Hashflow. The governance is out at I'm not sure when this is at UTC. And apart from that, I also saw this this picture of the 7-day users. You can see that Hashflow has a huge amount of users. Even more than MakerDAO, and in transactions it's quite high as well. Not as much as or like relatively not as much as other ones. And a lot of these transactions are also because it's new, but it's nice to see. And I have to say, I'm not sure if any of you have used Hashflow already. I have, and it's very easy to use. I think very easy to use it for crypto. I'm not sure how filled the liquidity pools are, because that's a big portion of the value as well. But yeah, let's talk about the price. Hit 75 cents. Now the main thing we want to do is we want to break above 75 cents to get up to 80 and 85 cents. That's really our next price target. Now right now that's still valid, but there are some things we have to do in order for that to stay valid. The main thing is I think we're dropping down towards this level here at 67 cents, which isn't a clear level on my chart, but it is in reality. So we're probably dropping down there. If we can stay on top of that for 2 days, yeah, so for 48 hours, we don't need to break above anything, but if we can stay on top of that for 2 days, I think we're going up to 80 and 85 cents as well. All right, because that would show that we still have a lot of momentum and a lot of strength in the price. On the other hand, I mean, we must be realistic. We're falling pretty hard now. I think either way, we will find some support at 67 cents, kind of that area. But if we don't manage to hold that, so if we'll drop down to 63 cents, we'll probably also drop down to 60 cents, and we'll probably just consolidate on top of this until the entire market starts moving again, and then Hashflow will move along with the market. So right now we're very bullish. We can actually continue that bullish momentum, but we must stay on top of that, especially that 67 cents level. So that's my take on Hashflow this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, but for now, take care and bye.